You know you gotta do the warm up. How long we walking for usually?
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
20 if you want, bro. Go to the failure. Show us some. 4. Come with that. 5. 6.
Oh, 5, bro. Get through.
Straight into press up. Straight into press up. Straight in. No breaks. Yeah. Too easy. Go on, man. You're moving. That's 9. Alright, drop on your face for a touch that.
Yeah, welcome to the gym vlog today. We got something saucy for you. 2 of my guys are gonna come and help me out. I need to get this summer body. I just come back from Morocco. I lost about a stone out there. I was sick as a dog. I went from this guy to this guy. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was feeling myself, and then the heated pool mixed with the weather change. Looking nippy out there. Absolutely done, man. Super washed. Super duper rubbed. But anyway, yo, back to the script. Yeah, we're moving. So you're about to go to the gym right now. Look a bit of motion in the ocean. You know the vibes. Alright, then it's about to hit man's TP. You know we're uploading as we speak. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's looking good. That's half an hour warm up. Get me. Still waiting on the guys. Like, where's Mitch? Well, I forgot. I thought you were the news still. But yeah, fam, fucking. You get it posh. Gotta get the cardio up. What go on, news? You wanna be famous, news? Chest. Yo. Brother, what's this?
Venom Power thing, pre-workout.
Let me try this thing.
Hamstrings, what you see is getting activated and stretching out. That's why when he's doing the roller thing,
yeah.
releases it and that, you know what I'm saying?
So this works on your hamstrings as well as your back, basically.
So when you're training, a lot of people train with just a barbell.
Yeah.
Barbell. But when you do a barbell, they're both going together.
Yeah.
Each side of your body don't have a time to push itself. There you go.
Yeah.
Now, go to your fail. As soon as a man fails, he starts the other program again though. When he was worried about tuning man on one machine, naturally, man are gonna fail. So they then progress onto the next machine. So that means we've got 2 machines, 2 programs. Then a man's gonna fail in that one, progress to a third. That way we've got 3 machines. So as through failure, the groups breaks apart, but we're still staying together. Behind each other. You know what I'm saying? You're all in team. Let me log it. 2, go on, do your thing then. Push the ball out, force your body to react. Don't stay in your comfort zone.
Stay left.
You were saying to the whole point is, yo, try and push that to failure. You were saying to, because if you stay in your comfort zone, you will feel like, yo, it's too long. As long as you get your number, it doesn't matter how many times you stop, just focus on your number. When you pull it, fam, you should pull it away from the weight. Pull it, there you go, because your head should go backwards. You're going forward. Dip it down. Last set. That's what you fade. That's your fade.
Yeah. Go closer.
2 men at the same time. Break it up a little bit. Alright, then we'll all, as soon as you jump off that, we'll load up that next machine. Extend, fam. There you go. Watch your back, brother. Find the weight. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now love it. 2, 3. Eat it, man. 4. There you go. 5. There we go. 6.
bro.
Oh, straight to press up, straight to press up, straight in. No breaks. Yeah. Eat it. Straight to the press up, no fuck around. Straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down. Find your spot, bro. There you go, bro. Stay in the swamp, stay in the swamp. There you go, stay in the swamps. Stay in the swamps. Pump it up, pump it up. What'd you hit there?
25.
25.
Shit.
Straight to press ups, let's go. Take these light weights off. Two in the back, two in the front.
Yeah, stay in the front. Yeah.
First technique, then when you consistently do perfect technique over 10 to 15 reps, then you increase your intensity.
Yeah.
Most men are doing it one way around.
Just go hard without the technique.
No technique.
And what the
Okay, let's do that then. Yeah, I want you to do it. No, I want you to do it. Press ups and bend. We'll do.
Hey, come on, bro.
We'll do weight drills. We'll go on chest. Set base for chest. Yeah. Thank you. That's too short. This one's too short, man. Fuck you, we'll make this one work. One, set pace, who's up? Yeah. I'll do some without a weight. No, I ain't getting weight. Wait. Drop.
Come on, yeah.
That's what I'm saying, you can see full back. There you go. Easy. Easy. 5. Finish for me.
Fuck them shits up. 1, yeah. 2, yeah. 3, yeah. Yeah, come on, bro.
All of us can't be on press ups.
Yeah, mullah. 12 with a 10, son. That ain't gonna melt, man.
Yo, set pace. Set pace. Over fucking 20 if you want, bro.
Tell him again, man. Someone melt.
4. Come on, 5. 6.
You like just look at that.
7. Come on, 8. If it comes with me.
Yeah.
9.
There you go. Still good, yeah. Oh, fuck them shits up, B. 1, yeah. 2, yeah. 3, yeah. Yeah. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Gotta love it. If you don't love it, someone else will, bro. Someone who don't like you, train harder and faster than you right now, bro. One day don't lift it. There you go. Show me something. This way, yeah, this way. Whichever way you want it, come. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Taking a piss. It's taking a piss. Alright, hit your press ups, hit chest up, hit these. going for something, shocking your muscles to a point where you're putting a weight on it that you didn't think it was going to get. How much more, bud? There you go. Whatever grip you want. Come on, Dad. Come on, come on. Come on, Dad. Failure.
That's it, bro.
Failure don't mean just hold it there. Failure means going again. There you go, done. Good, good. As long as you got the 20. Yo, we're going to go to some little chest down, should I? Give us some press-ups, lads. We're on 12 or 13 sets. Do you know how many press-ups that is? Over 600.
125.
You've done a back workout and 400 press-ups. Come on, man. This is what I'm saying. It's crazy when you think about it. It's nuts. Come, he's going to hit some chest there, what's right? Here we go, come. Yeah, whichever.
Yeah.
I'll follow what you said. Alright, okay. Speak like that.
I'm gonna get
I'm about to say now, back shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, bro, come. Yeah. So. Yeah. Easy, man. Mad. What? So beat them? Cause beat them.
I'm in that fucking ball. That's mine. Oh, yeah, drop on your face for a touch that. There we go. Go on. Straight in. Yeah. Easy. There we go. Too easy.
Yeah. My shit.
Oh, sorry.
How many looks fine?
Yeah, set the ball. So we got down. Yeah, safe.
Yeah. It is too like this.
Drop that. As soon as you finish, go straight to pull-ups and eat up that bum bucket. Come on, brother. Now we'll do pull-ups now, yeah? Straight in, sir. Straight in. Having that. Straight in. When I found it, I was supposed to bless somebody else. That's what I'm saying. Oh, that shy Nine, 10, very easy. 11, too easy. Yeah. Straight down. Straight on the bar. Yeah. Got this, bro. Take the piss. Take the piss. finish up the session on some dips. We've done the back and we've done chest. So now we're gonna finish up to all upper body, round it off, get a little pump on, get the strength on. See you later, brother. Leave it all in the gym. And basically these are like the upper body squats. So,
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Fuck it, bro. Just burn out, yeah. That's out now, yeah.
Yo,
So
listen,
that holds is a killer, bro.
today's been a good session, man. Fucking around with these guys. It's a mad thing. You know? Tell him your name, bro. Tell him your name, bro.
Sean Blackwood.
Sean Blackwood, love, bro, every time. Come on. Iron Rex. Where's the picture?
It's about,
I'm gonna get you on there, man. Diamonds, yeah? Safe, bro, safe. What's it?
Errors are ER3 and .00.
Yeah, man. Make sure you subscribe to his shit.